So this is Bam Bam. Bam Bam's not very happy. He doesn't want to be handled. He doesn't want to be bothered. He's hiding, and Cory's just forcing him to accept his interaction and presence by just being there, and it's okay, just so he knows he's not going to be hurt, but he does need to accept that we're here and we're not going to hurt him.
And he's a good animal.
And he is a good animal. He's just having a grumpy day. So this is Cory telling him, you're going to be my friend whether you want to be or not. I don't know if you can hear this, but he's really hissing, and that generally means leave me alone.
Meanwhile, I'm still got my hand underneath, and he's not wanting to bite me.
He doesn't want to hurt him. I mean, he might slap you, but
these animals get angry, but they don't actually want to hurt you.
So you can see Cory's rubbing him real hard. That's just try to help get a little bit of shed that's on there. All right, well, we'll give these two a few minutes together and see how that turns out.